Using a straight razor is one of the ultimate experiences for any wet shaver. Not only does it provide an amazing quality shave, but they can also be passed down through the generations and hold great sentimental value. With regular use, and even with proper upkeep, the steel on a straight razor must be honed occasionally to give you the closest shave. Because they were created from steel, rust and deterioration can cause serious problems even with family heirloom straight razors that haven't been shaved with in years. Left unattended, the steel can be compromised, leaving unsightly stains, fatal pits along the delicate edge, and in some cases, rust can even eat the razor to a nub. Each razor is assessed for its specific needs. To safely remove afflicted metal during polishing, our experienced staff uses specialized compounds and rouges to safely maintain integrity of your steel while buffing and polishing your razor and scales to look their best. Handles that are broken or have scale rot can be removed and replaced with handcrafted custom scales designed by you. Our website makes ordering easy by standardizing shapes, materials, and cost. Razors that are to be made shave ready now move on to the sharpening process, where our professional razor meister determines the best progression of stones to provide an exceptionally smooth edge. We always finish your straight razor on a 20,000 grit finishing stone. The razor is then stropped and oiled, ensuring it's protected during shipping and ready to be shaved with right out of the box. Our straight razor restoration service was created with two purposes in mind: the everyday shaver that wants clean steel, beautiful scales, and the sharpest shaving edge, as well as the family heirloom straight razor, ready to be passed down to future generations, perfectly preserved in museum quality condition. Our straight razor restoration service is the perfect solution for shavers and heirloom razors alike. Whether you want a shave-ready straight razor or just peace of mind, we're committed to preserving history and helping you get the most from your wet shaving experience. Go online and check out our services today.